Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to butcher a chicken one step at a time. So we're going to start with the breast. You can feel the spine right here, or I guess the breastbone. Just find it right there, and then just work your way right down. Feel the inside right in the middle. And then just start peeling it off of the carcass essentially, one stroke at a time. And then on the inside, you'll see that cartilage. You just get right out of there. There we go. So that cartilage bone is right here. So just slowly take the meat off. You can see the rib cage right here underneath. So the wishbone's right here. So it's just a matter of separating the meat away from the bone. There's the shoulder. Now, what we're going to do here is separate it from the leg. And all this is just connective tissue and just skin, really. There's nothing in there. So you can just easily poke through it and just cut right out. You can see no one's eating that. So just keep cutting the breast off. We all know what the chicken breast is supposed to look like. You just have to follow that guideline. And let the knife do the work. So we got our first breast. Whether you want it skinless or not, it's that easy to remove the skin. In this case, I don't want the skin. So, breast number one, you got the tenderloin underneath. And then you just have to clean it up. So, do the same thing on the other side. Work this way. Once again, just poke right through. Boom. Separate the leg from the breast. This is just skin, just so you can get it out. Boom. Breast number two. Once again, I want them skinless. There's not really anything you could do with that skin, so unless it's staying on, throw it away. Breast number two. And this is just fat. Alright, next we're going to take off the legs. You just want to pop the legs up against the spine. You're going to disconnect the joints from the hip. Alright. And keep the legs intact until you remove the thigh from the carcass. It'll be easier to work with. And the whole thing, the only thing that's connecting this whole piece is just that joint. So you just need to feel it. You could even poke through it if you want. See how it just like that. You just need to get to it. So, boom. You can feel it literally right here. I already went through. And then boom, you just take it off like that. So now you can either keep the whole leg together like that, or you could feel that joint and then cut right through. This will work better if you use your chef's knife. And then also same thing, if you want to cut it, pop the joint. Feel where the bend is, and then boom. So now we have a lovely drumstick. Now our thigh. You could also take the bone out, just cut right there, take the bone out, roll it, deep fry it, do whatever you want to do. There's a lot more skin than what I would want on there, so just gonna clean it up. There we go. And then, yeah, same thing, other side. Pop that joint. Right through the joint, it's that easy. Boom. Legs off. Boom. Pop that out. You could even mark it if you want. Boom, thigh number 2. And then chicken wings. Same thing. Pop the joint. You feel it right there. And chef's knife. One. Two. So now this carcass is either going to be used for stock, making a demi-glaze, gravy, you name it. Don't throw it away. It's foolish. And here, same thing. Feel the joint right there. Just a little crunch right through. And same thing for the winglet. This goes in the carcass, just so when you put it in the freezer it's all together. You can also cook these just whole like that, but it's kind of weird, nobody's used to that. Boom, get rid of that last one. So now we got our flats. our 2 wings. The rounds. And there you have it. A whole chicken butchered in 10 minutes. Takes no time at all. If you have any questions, leave some comments, and I'll get back to you.